everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Thursday and Halloween. Hope you guys are having a great day and got some fun and safe plans coming up later tonight or the rest of today. On this post, we're going to be talking about Uniswap UNIUSD, and we are going to be talking about if I'm currently long, bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is on this market according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Before we begin today, please do read my disclaimer below, as I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I cannot tell you the future. If you're simply looking for someone to tell you the future, I'm not your guy. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions for us to get better on technical analysis. So you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't really have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, which is $100 USD. And I will also earn free stocks upon a successful sign up. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments, please only leave them in the comment section below, as I will not get to all the messages in my inbox. If you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I will keep you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. Now let's take a look at what's going on in the markets. First things first, before we even get into the Uniswap chart, I would like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance, which is trending up, which is generally bad for the altcoins, because the best case scenario when Bitcoin dominance is trending up for the altcoins is total altcoin market cap is going to be increasing at a smaller proportion than the increase in Bitcoin. And that is exactly the case we're seeing right now. As you see, Bitcoin is up by almost 2%, while total altcoin market cap is only up by 1%. Now, that's only generally speaking. For any specific altcoins, that may be different, but I'm just saying, in general, for trading altcoins, it's usually not as great when Bitcoin dominance is trending up. Now, there's a slight chance that Bitcoin dominance may be trending down again, okay? Because currently the price action, if you take a look at the monthly chart on Bitcoin dominance, is actually right underneath the 21 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average on the Bitcoin dominance monthly chart. Do check that out. I'm not going to switch over right now because it actually messes up my post on TradingView. But if that does trend down, that may be a signal to start trading altcoins again and see some pretty good runs. But if that does not slow down, the best case scenario is I would expect total altcoins to be underperforming Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is performing well, altcoins may be performing well, but just not as well. That would be the best case scenario, okay? Another thing to know is that Bitcoin is and has touched the 14K level just today. And if we switch over to the monthly charts on Bitcoin, you can see that it has actually been running in this ascending triangle, and it may break out of that 14K level. If that happens, I would expect Bitcoin dominance to continue going up, and maybe if the best case scenario is altcoin markets will be increasing at a less proportion than Bitcoin increase. So that is some scenarios to consider. And I would definitely be keeping an eye out on Bitcoin as well before considering trading any specific altcoins. Now let's go to the total altcoin market cap. Okay, if you guys actually look at the weekly chart on the total altcoin market cap, you guys can see that we are still above the weekly 21 simple moving average. Now, in my opinion, as long as the price action is still above the weekly 21 simple moving average, we are still on an uptrend for altcoins in general. Even though we are taking a pullback right now, but I would still consider, as long as we are still above that 21 weekly moving average, we are still on an uptrend for altcoins. Now let's take a look at UniUSD. On UniUSD, on the 3-day chart, where we are actually getting an RSI reading on a higher time frame, actually on the highest time frame possible, because on the weekly chart we're not seeing anything yet. And this is on the Coinbase. This is on Coinbase, okay? On the 3-day chart, we can see that the RSI is approaching oversold territory. That's some kind of a signal that this may be reversing, but you really have to see the scenarios I just talked about on the major market players, such as Bitcoin dominance, altcoin, and Bitcoin. So do consider those before I actually dive into trading any specific altcoins and particularly Uniswap in this case. Now we do have a falling wedge that has formed on the 3-day chart, and I do expect us to reverse at some point, given that the total altcoin market cap price action does stay above the weekly 21 simple moving average. That will increase the rate of the success of reversal. Now, if we do reverse, that'd be the bullish case scenario. I do have a measured target, which is basically the distance of the opening of the pattern, and add it to the expected breakout points. So let's say if we actually break out within maybe in 6 days, my measured target will be about 4.75. That is the bullish case scenario. On the bearish case scenario, I think it will first start with the weekly, the total altcoin market cap price action, getting a weekly close below the 21 weekly simple moving average. That is a bad sign for altcoins in general, and I will read that before considering even trading or holding Uniswap at that point. That would be the bearish case scenario, and I would think it would just the price action would just continue in this tighter price action in this falling wedge pattern until it doesn't. Now, we don't really have any trading history below where we are right now. As you can see, we're at about 2.3 right now. We don't really have any trading history below this. So the best estimate for me is actually just to get a trend line and extrapolate where this price action may go to next. So that would be the bearish case scenario, is that we continue down this falling wedge, and I would probably say the best way to estimate where the price action is heading next is using a trend line. So if we don't reverse within maybe 6 days from now, I think we would get a maybe the lowest price action will get us about 2, maybe 2.05. So somewhere around there, that would be my bearish case scenario if we don't reverse anytime soon. And if the total altcoin market cap price action does close a weekly candle close below the 21 simple moving average. So this concludes my very short analysis on Uniswap. I hope you guys have found it helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys did. That would help me out a lot. Leave me any feedback, comments, disagreements, agreements. I would love to hear it from you guys. And I hope you guys have a great day and manage your risk carefully.